Guys, welcome back to my channel. So today we'll be talking about understanding the YouTube algorithm. So have you ever wondered what it takes to push your videos to more viewers, to let people see more of your videos? Well, today we'll be talking about this in this simple and easy tips, and this video is also for me as well because I also be trying these tips too. So I just go ahead and get right into the video. So the first question is, what does the YouTube algorithm want? Well, the YouTube algorithm is like is a media, just like a media that actually helps to show viewers content they're likely to enjoy, content they're likely to watch, something that they'll just click on, that first thing they'll just click on and want to keep watching. So yeah, I think that's what the YouTube algorithm actually does. So the three key things that the YouTube algorithm actually works on is the CTR, that's the click-through rate. This is the number of times that viewers clicked on your video after seeing the thumbnail and the title. So that's why we have to make our thumbnail and title really, really catchy. The second one is the watch time and the audience. This is how long the audience stays on your video, actually watch it from start to finish, and this is like showing is this is like telling YouTube that okay, your video is getting seen by this particular audience, particular people. So the second one is the engagement. This includes asking for likes, comments, subscription. Please don't be afraid to ask your viewers to actually like your video, leave a comment, subscribe to your channel. It's those engagements is what YouTube actually look at, because once they see that people are liking your videos, commenting, subscribing, they'll look at that okay, you're actually getting there, and they'll keep pushing your videos to more people that want to see more of your videos. So yeah, so let's get into the second part of this video. So the second part of this video is the tips to improve each of these factors. The click-through rate, the audience retention and watch time hours, and the engagement. You need to make your thumbnails in a way that your thumbnails and title in a way that people actually look at it and be like, okay, this thumbnail is catchy, this title is catchy, and they'll just click right through to just know what it's talking about. You get, and your watch time. This is like keeping your viewers, your audience, glued to your screen. You have to do something that's different, or that's more nicer, or more content, like for people, for viewers to actually keep watching your content. And please, like I said before, don't be afraid to ask your viewers to like your video, to leave a comment, because these interactions actually help YouTube to actually notice your content or your channel. And please, let's debunk this myth of what's it called, of you having to post daily. No, you don't have to post daily. You can post once in a week, twice in a week, once a month, and it depending on what actually works for you. So what you have to do is you just check what works for you. If it's once in a week, fine. If it's once in a month, fine. But please, let's debunk this myth of posting daily will get you noticed by YouTube. Because if you keep posting daily and you're not posting worthy content for viewers to watch, I'm sorry guys, but they're going to leave. You understand? So you have to keep posting worthy content that viewers will stay glued on your screen, on your channel, and keep wanting more even after they're done with your video. So yeah. And don't forget guys, consistency and quality of your content is better than quantity, because yeah, let's just face it, posting too frequently without quality content is just going to get your viewers to just leave your channel. So yeah, so that's it guys. So I hope you guys keep these tips in mind as you start creating your content, and I'll also be trying these tips out for myself to see what actually works for me. And because I also want to grow my channel, and I hope you guys will also use these tips to grow your channels too. Please don't forget to leave a comment in the comment section, and please like this video and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe to my channel for more creators tips, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye for now.